Why do people commit bid'ah? Arrogance. When you tell them you have to follow the Sunnah, they say, no, I have something better. The Prophet did not do it. You know better? He said, maybe the Prophet did not know about it. Astaghfirullah. You know better? Allah says, today I have completed your religion, perfected my grace and favor upon you, and accepted Islam to be your religion. Allah said, completed your religion. He said, yeah, but we have few things missing. I'd like to make these things haram. You cannot have istiqama without purifying your soul, without dealing with good akhlaq. We have problem with people who say, we have correct aqidah, we are following the Sunnah, we are on the correct manhaj, mashallah, and their akhlaq is zift. Yani zift is like tar, is like asphalt. Their akhlaq is bad. They are rude, they are arrogant, they sit and backbite everyone. What about Abdullah? Oh, Abdullah is innovator. What about Ahmad? Oh, Ahmad is a hypocrite. What about he's Khawarij? Oh, he's this, he's that, he's this. And they start labeling people left, right and center. Okay, look in the mirror. What do you see? Allahu Akbar. This is the Sunnah. They see that they themselves are the best. And this is a very bad sign. If you're not humble by your own shortcomings and flaws, if you're not humbled by the Quran and the Sunnah and the knowledge you have, you are not on the istiqamah. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, I was merely sent to perfect and to complete the best of moral conduct. And he said, the closest to me in Jannah on the Day of Judgment are those who have good manners, good akhlaq. Look at us when we leave the masjid. What happens? Chokehold. And he grab people and throw him with wrestling moves. Why? I have to go first. Look at us when we're driving. When you go to other countries, people say, please, go. What do? We never give the right of way to people. We're always number one. Why? Because we don't have akhlaq. We don't have generosity, mercy, compassion. And this shows you that we are not on the istiqamah. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, a man with his akhlaq, with his moral conduct and manners, reaches the level in Jannah of a person who prays all night and fasts all day with your akhlaq. And you can ask people, how is the akhlaq of XYZ? If they compliment him and say that he's generous, he's courageous, he's kind, he's caring, know that inshallah he's from the people of Jannah.